Look what I just got. I got myself some Nike Max, Air Max. Now these, I only got them for one reason, to believe it or not. I got them to play pickleball with them, right? These are beautiful color style. They have different sizes. I'm a size 13, all right? And I have wide feet, and these are actually excellent for those kind of scenarios. Now, I'm a big fan of Nike. I've always been a big fan of Nike because of the air bubble. The air bubble helps me, my weight, because I am a heavy guy. Stepping on the bottom of my toes helps my actual knees, believe it or not. Now, people don't understand that the cushion helps a lot support when you're actually stepping down, because we're putting a lot of pressure on floor, concrete, grass, pretty much everything. And throughout the years, as you get older, your knees get older too. So I end up getting these because, like I said, it could be running, jogging, pickleball, or anything you want. These are perfect. Now, we're not kids no more, so they don't include Velcro no more on it, of course. But like I said, I've always been a big fan of my Nike Air Max and anything with the air bubbles on it, right? So let's go ahead and enjoy them.
Yeah! It went over.
I know.